Makinig ka sa manok.
Yun! 360.
Nakasabi to. Welcome sa ano, welcome po sa grupo namin, kabayan.
Sasabit nga lang daw eh. Sabit lang, sabit.
So ang ride namin ngayon, Abu Dhabi po kami. Abu Dhabi kami ngayon, kaya marami kami.
Ganda ng port niya.
Magpapalit na po ng ano, pulsos si ano, si Jempoy. Enjoy life.
Quintian.
Kasama din sa mga budol na Martes.
Chill ride lang daw.
Chill ride lang talaga ito ngayon. Bahala kayo magbudulas.
Ano yung chill ride?
Namin si Mayor eh. Mahina din. Paano yan? Mahina bago yan eh. Pinag-biyabag yan eh.
Nasa mo nagpilo na lang siya.
Ano, chill ride lang talaga. Hindi naman.
Chill lang. Malamig-lamig naman eh.
Eto yung road bike.
Si Kuya Joe ang trangko natin kasi siya ang road bike eh. Ali lang kami ngayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kami ay siyam na katao.
Chill ride lang.
Chill ride lang, promise. Yan. Bedlers, ano na? Vice.
Ay, yung ano, natulog na yung Java mo. Kabago-bago.
Kaya nga, di ko pa nakikita yun ah.
Linggo.
Parang yung suman lang ah, di ko pa nakikita.
Linggo, tinuruan mo ng maglasing yung Java mo. Sana next week, magbago na yun.
Road bike din, road bike.
Road bike.
Sana all may road bike na.
Yeah.
Mukhang hindi ka na sweeper niyan ah.
Mahal na mahal namin yan si Vice.
Hindi ka na sweeper niyan, Vice. Mangiiwan ka na rin. Mangiiwan ka rin pala bandang huli. Akala ko ano?
Ano, nagsisecret training din. Nagsisecret training.
Secret training tapos may isda pang dala.
Sa Java.
Balagyan mo na ng mount ng ano yan, ng pamingwit.
Nalagyan niya na ano, parang carrier sa likod.
Oo. Tapos yung lagayan ng cooler sa harap.
Tapos mga bag sa ilalim. Ano, bikepacking. Bikepacking, Satwa to Lamer.
Oo, ayahin mo naman ngayon si Amir. Mag-bikepacking naman ngayon. Para magamit din yung bike niya.
Pareho naka...
Hindi na siya gumalaw doon sa Strava. Ayaw.
Hindi, ano yan, sa Eid daw, nagyaya eh.
Oh.
Sabi niya, long ride, papunta daw ng Class Exit.
Oh.
Tignan natin kung paano. Pwede naman natin pagbigyan ng aking puting kapatid.
Basta Martes.
Gabi. Dragon Mart. Dragon Mart.
Maya alis na kami. Tamang chai muna. Ako nalilibang sila, na yun na lang yung oras.
Pare, ano lang naman. Sabi yung jogger pa rin, feedback na boss.
Ride out alas 6.
Alas 6 na.
Kapalit lang.
Para sigurado maragdapan kayo. Budol yan.
Hindi, likod lang ako.
So, mag-upload na ng pido.
Medyo.
Boss, kaya mo pabilisin ito. Ikaw nagdala ito? Kaya mo pabilisin yan.
32 lang kasi. Kung mga 36 yan, nagkita eh.
Kaya mo pabilisin yan. Kaya mo pabilisin yan. Pero hindi ka ulit.
Kung bagay sa helmet mo yun eh. We're going to ride out now. Good morning guys. Sama kaming ano, may bago kaming recruit dito. Bagong kabayan yan. Lilipad dyan mamaya, tingnan nyo.
Making a stack, then I'm making a wreck, and I give it all back to the people who lack. Got me on fleek, no, you got me on black. Start all the beef, then you take it all back. Didn't believe, now you see me on track. Keep up with me, cause I never look back. Used to know me, but I'm not like my past. Reinvent me like you wish that you had. Let's go. I just wanna touch the sky, West Coast. I just wanna feel alive. I know the way I wanna feel inside, and I go. Living through the painful nights, but I know I'm coming out the other side, and I know I'm gonna ride it. I love who I am inside, and I'ma live today like any day can die.
Labas ako dyan, ha? Guys, chill ride lang kami, ha? Chill ride lang. Pero hindi alam kung hanggang kailan. Chill ride, ha? Chill ride, may bago tayo. Wala talaga yan. Oops. Jin! Ano na, Jin? Stop right now. Guys, rampo namin yung ano, sa mga budod. Yung nag-iinit yung puwet niya pagbabaga. Shoutout kay Jempoy. Si Onad ba naman doon? Sabi niya 4:30 siya, di ba? Guys, babalik tayo mamaya. Pag nandun tayo sa highway, alam ko na mangyayari. Tayin nyo. When I see you again, Dami na namang alata ron eh. Dito lang kami sa likod ngayon. Papabayan muna namin sa kanila. Mukhang dito na mag-umpisa eh. Dito na mag-umpisa mga nagsisiling puwit yan. Hindi! Pauna ka pa eh. Makuha ka na. Tara! Kill ride!
Yo, stand
Yeah.
up, we gon' make some moves tonight. Yeah, stand up, got something to prove tonight. So stand up, we ain't
25:30.
gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We ain't gonna stall, never stop. We gon' make it all to the top. We ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. Time to stand up, take control tonight. Spend too much time on the plan, it's right. It's time to execute now on your dream in life. Gotta fail fast, learn, try again and fight, alright. Pull the trigger, 6-7 figures, making that money from the drive that's in ya. Gold digger, making money quicker. Pain is good, make your skin a little thicker. It ain't luck. Anyone that's at the top, no, it ain't luck. It's a grind, it's a time since the day one. It's your mind deep inside, how you stay tough, how you get back up. You put the work in, and it comes back. Multiply, stack, execute, and you can take that. What you want bad, it's the truth, I'm the change that you can make that. Yeah, I've done it, it ain't luck, I can teach you. Stand up, we gon' make some moves tonight. Yeah, stand up, got something to prove tonight. So stand up, we ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We ain't gonna stall, never stop. We gon' make it all to the top. We ain't gonna plan tonight. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright. We gonna take action on our dreams and fight, alright.
Nasa unahan si Kuya Greg. Pangalawa si Kuya Jojo. Si Manok na Pula. Saka si German. Ano magabol? Jempi! Jempi! Kuha yan! Kuha yan!
Yeah, I'm all alone and still learning to let go. I'll carry on my own and find out where I belong. And I just need to move on. I have hope, I'm open to a new place, a new road. I'm on my own, but I'm better off alone. Yeah, I'm better off alone. Now wake up to a new day in the same place with a new flame. It's not too late, I'll be okay. Leave behind all that led to my pain. I know it's never really ever quite perfect, but I know the hardest things are always worth it. Yeah, I'm all alone and still learning to let go. I'll carry on my own and find out where I belong. And I just need to move on.
demons in my head, they're better off dead. I'll find a way to kill this sorrow. Got demons in my head, I used to regret being a better place tomorrow. Got demons in my head, they're better off dead. I'll find a way to kill this sorrow. Got demons in my head, I used to regret being a better place tomorrow.
I'm all alone and still learning to let go. I'll carry on my own and find out where I belong. And I just need to move on. I have hope, I'm open to a new place, a new road. I'm on my own, but I'm better off alone. Yeah, I'm better off alone. Hey, 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 hey. Oh. Hey, 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 hey.
Watch out for her dark side, yeah, she got some sharp eyes. See her for the first time, never let her out my sight. I just wanna stay up, look at you all made up. Dirty thoughts are seeping into my mind, I can't wait up. Ooh, she looks so good, got me straight in the mood. She read that room, she know just what to do. Moving that body, she dancing and shaking, it's making them crazy, she know how to move. She said she's ready to party, let's get it started. Tequila straight out the bottle, she looks so good when she's sipping a model. I can't get enough, I need you, I think this is lust, not love. Cause everything that we touch gives us a rush, and everything that we taste feels like a drug. Da 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 da. She the one, 2 shots and we having fun, 4 shots and we turning up, dancing cause the night is young, too much fun, feel alive in the night. She look good, she look right, we could live, we could die. Here she come, channeling my Casanova. She got a body persona, she got a bite like a cobra. I'll take the venom, it's worth it to know ya. She pulling up with that body, I wanna make her a hobby. She got a face little naughty, I wanna chase it till I got her on me. I can't get enough, I need you, I think this is lust, not love. Cause everything that we touch gives us a rush, and everything that we taste feels like a drug. Da 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 I'm addicted to you, the way you make me move. I feel our bodies taking over, as we get closer. The night will never stop if we don't let it up. So take another on your tongue and dance the weekend. Da 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 da. Watch me as I take off, I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, watch out I'm coming, yeah. I know, I'm a hustler, I go. Got me running, got me gunning for thrones. I won't go back, no pass, blow past so fast, I'm gone. Grow fast, big splash, all cash, like watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, I'll be eating Kobe steak hot. La da da, got that fish sushi grade raw. La la la, I'm on vacation, I'ma stay off. La la la, now I'm taking all my days off. La da da, yeah. I'll be in the top spot, putting work in, cause I'ma be a boss, yeah. In a penthouse, jacuzzi, turn it hotter. On the roof, waiting for me is a chopper. Cha-cha-cha, I'm living in a daydream, yeah, it may seem, but I manifest this every day, see. I got things I've been working on daily, and I stack it all up to this mainstream. I got the attitude, do what I have to do to be the best in the game, got gratitude. No bad mood, just bad views, ooh. Watch me as I take off, I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Then I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, watch out, I'm coming, yeah. Blow up, yeah, I just wanna blow up, yeah, I just wanna blow up, yeah, I just wanna blow up, 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 blow up.
Push past all the pain that you're going through. It won't last if you move how you wanna move. Get lost in the work that you gotta do to be someone better. You can grow into something new. I could be anything that I set my mind to. I do what I need, I can push right through. Fight through those things that are holding me back from the life that I like to have. I'm like, give me time, I'll be just fine. You thought I was worth leaving behind? Get out of your mind, I'll come back better than ever, no matter the weather. Greater than I've ever been, that's my new endeavor. Woo. I work hard so the sweat coming off my chin. On par with the greatest that I've ever done it. I'm new, coming back better than before. But don't look at me, cause you closed the door, so watch out and fear me now. I can get real mean if you sell me out. I can get real green, got me hawking now. I don't forget those things, don't hear me loud. I focus on myself, I focus on my health. The greatest revenge is building up yourself. Your life and your drive, building up your wealth. Becoming something better than you've ever felt. If you got dreams that you're chasing, the fear in your life, stand up and face it. Ain't nobody coming to help, you're all alone in this world, in this life, embrace it. I know it might seem hard, it might seem tough, it may sound rough, but this state of mind will get you through a lot of stuff and keep you accountable to stay strong when it's tough. No help, I do it by myself, couldn't even tell it, I've been through well. But on the other side came a soldier, much bolder, standing broad shoulders. Step aside and give me the controller, I came here to win, I don't lose, high roller. I wanna be the best in the game, yeah, I came to play and invest, stay colder. No matter how I do feel, I still gotta prove that I'm better. I never say never, I work all alone, I don't work together. I got big moves and they coming soon. I'ma be a tycoon in the boardroom. Everything is fine-tuned, got no excuse. Coming back like new anytime I move. Call it resurrection, I'm obsessing. Got a new obsession, so obsessive. Strive for perfection, never second. I just wanna be a legend, don't forget it. I like to be pushed to my limits, I work till I finished. I hurt till I'm winning, till the thirst starts again. It takes me back to beginning, a cycle let me spinning. That's why I'm alive and I fight every minute to be worthy. I can't question thirsty.
Kung si Ian Ho, mayroong Batman dito. Mayroon din Batman dito. Ay, super, ano pala to, Superman? Black version, Superman.
I saw you there, cycling, Sharjah.
Yeah.
Yeah, just wait for the 360. Aquaman, come. Where's Aquaman?
Let's go. I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast, right past anybody taking life for granted, yeah, that's too bad. I'll be grateful for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody look at me, I got a plan. You gotta work hard, play hard, do it from the start. Cause how you do anything is everything you start. Stay consistent and do it every day. Don't let fatigue get in your way. Cause 10% of something is better than nothing. You better do something if you wanna be something. I can feel my stomach rumbling, I'm hungry. Big things coming, I ain't bluffing, yeah. No, I don't wanna stay the same, yeah. So I keep pushing through the pain, yeah.